I want to like be like Halloween in a club and still look cute, not scary AF. Like I still want to look cute. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For this video, we are starting off the Halloween season. Yes. So yesterday was October 1st and today is October 2nd. So I wanted to create a Halloween look for you guys. For this look, I actually used the Snapchat filter. I used the Snapchat filter and I really like how it made the makeup that I had under look. It looks pretty spooky. So I'm gonna bring a close-up. So this is a screenshot of the video that I recorded. This is the look that we are going to create today. I'm going to zhuzh it up a little bit more. Yeah, I think that's gonna look pretty cool. I'm excited. All right, you guys, let's get it started. Is the latest, but this is the matte smoky palette. It is awesome. So now that we blended out that black with this brush, it's a MAC 224, it's a blending brush. I'm gonna go back into graphite and I'm going to add it a little bit more on the outskirts of that black because I blended it up a little bit, so I'm just gonna blend it out. And I'm going to use this green right here. I want to take these two colors. So I'm going to take that glittery black. I'm gonna stamp it. So I'm gonna go in on the sides with this glittery black and it looks amazing. Okay, so we're picking up this color now. With my Duo Clear Lash Glue. So I'm gonna tap it. I'm just gonna make it a little bit higher though. And then round it out. Round. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera really quick and then we will be back. By Essence, I picked this up at CVS the other day and it's pretty awesome. This is the applicator and I feel like the magic is in the applicator. It's like a felt tip, but it's a really long felt tip. Now we are going to add a little bit of liquid liner right on the lash line and make that wing pair up with where we cleaned it off. I'm going to pick up a little bit of this glittery black from the I Love Sarai palette and mix it with the green. I'm gonna take that black, just like very lightly, And I'm gonna contour because this is Halloween. I'm gonna use the Morphe and I'm just going to press it at the top of this contour. So obviously with this look, you have to do everything before you draw the webs on your face because you won't be able to go back and and then I will be back and we will finish up this look. Some glitter by Urban Decay. This one has a liner brush attached to it, and what we're going to do is we're going to do the same technique of how we drew the web, and we're just going to draw another line right under the black line so that when we turn you get some glitter action. Look, I am obsessed. So the spider web came out like okay. It's not the best, and you know what, but it like totally makes the look. Like, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys recreate this look for Halloween. If you do, don't forget to tag me on your Instagram. Tag me at I am Melissa Ruby. And yes, all right, you guys, first look is done. I hope you guys liked it.